Dear Ethiopian customers, we warmly welcome you. We sincerely invite you to visit our proud LED screen showroom. The exhibition hall brings together the most advanced LED display technology, showcasing stunning screens of various sizes and application fields. Next, we will take you into the LED screen aging workshop, which is a key link in our quality control. Here, you will witness firsthand how LED displays undergo rigorous aging tests to ensure their reliability and durability under various environmental conditions. This process not only reflects our commitment to high standards of product quality, but also demonstrates our relentless pursuit of technical excellence.